Southern Country Living, and today I'm doing a cherry pie filling fruit salad, and I've already drained all of my fruit in these cans, and you have to let it stay in a colander for about 2 hours before you add your cherries in it. But anyway, I've got 2 cans of peaches here, 2 cans of chunky fruit, mixed fruit, and also I got a can of pineapple and some mandarin oranges. So let me pour these cans of fruit into my colander here, and I'll get started on this real easy summer fruit recipe. Also, we'll leave in the description below 2 links to 2 more summer salads that I've made. One of them was the orange dreamsicle salad and the lemon lime jello salad. So all it is dump and go. So here I'm adding my peaches in. Okay, now I'm adding my chunky mixed fruit. This will be a great dish to carry to a summer picnic or anything that you go to. Okay, now I'm going to add in my pineapple. And my mandarin oranges. Okay. So I'm going to let this strain for about 2 hours, and I think I'm just going to put some wax paper over the top of it. I said wax paper, but I mean cling wrap over the top of it, and put it in the refrigerator and let it be getting cold. Then I'll come back and I'll add my cherry pie filling. And I was talking about my other 2 summer salad desserts. And that orange dreamsicle salad is a really good one, and the lemon lime jello salad is also really good. And if y'all check those out, I'm pretty sure that you'll like those also. So let me get this refrigerated, and then I'll be back. And I'm sorry if my voice sounds a little squeaky, but sometimes that happens to my voice earlier in the day. So let me refrigerate this, and then I'll be back. Okay, everyone, I'm back, and so my fruit has been draining for about 2 hours. So I'm going to put it in my bowl. Fill that bowl right up. I hope I don't have to go to a bigger bowl. Okay, so I'm going to put in my cherry pie filling. You can also use strawberry. And I think I'm going to put in my marshmallows last. You don't have to put marshmallows in if you don't want to, but I thought, what the heck? I like marshmallows, why not? You could even put pecans in it if you wanted to. Okay. When you mix this, you don't want to break your fruit up. So you want to kind of mix it carefully. I hope everybody is having a good day today. It's Saturday, and it's really pretty here today in Georgia. When I make this salad, this is going to be for our dessert tonight. And I got some things that I want to do today, so this will be really good when we come in today.
You're going to let me sample a little bit of it, though, this morning, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I like it when you do the taste test. I do believe that I could have used a big old bowl on this one. just about got all these cherries all in here mixed up. And then I'll put these marshmallows in. I think I'm just going to put them on top and just scoop it out. I know you'd rather have a big old piece of chocolate cake, hadn't you, Calvin?
No, I like fruit also.
You do? Okay. I know I had. This would be a little more healthier. Okay. Come over here. You do it, Calvin.
Okay.
He's wanting me to do it now.
Let me readjust the camera because it's a little bit too, I'm so tall you're not going to see me.
Okay.
Okay, you want me to do the taste test?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. That's real good. I like the cherries, the way it's got the filling in there, and that gets all over the fruit. That's real good. Let me get a piece of the pineapple.
Okay.
And you've already had the refrigerator, so it's already got cold.
Yeah. This is a real good little dish to take somewhere. To take to anywhere, a potluck or anything.
The mandarin oranges are real good too. I like this. This is a good cool dessert for a hot summer day.
Okay.
Let me quit eating. Not supposed to talk and eat at the same time. But anyway, like I said, this is a good cool dessert for a hot summer day. I'll just keep this, Marie.
All right.
You'll have to make you one.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. So I hope everyone, if they like fruit, this was canned fruit. You could also use fresh fruit if you wanted to, and kick it up a notch. But I had a lot of canned fruits out in my pantry that I wanted to get rid of, and this right here really did the trick. So y'all, I hope y'all have a good weekend, and so do what you love and love what you do, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my